Aquarius, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is me, me, me. You've been servicing so many people, helping so many people out because that's the good in you. But the path to hell is paved with good intentions. Your intention to do the right thing, but you have to take care of yourself first. It doesn't benefit you to water everyone else's plants, the world's plants, and never water yourself, and you drain yourself. So today, watch your favorite show, have your favorite beverage, eat your favorite food, do your favorite hobbies. Hone in to make sure that yourself, you are happy. Therefore, you can effectively help the rest of the world. Fill up your pitcher every day so you make sure when you go out, you can water people. But when you come back home, you still have at least a half a pitcher for yourself, because you're more important than in servicing or helping anyone else. Because if you're not okay, there's no way that you can make sure someone else is okay. I allow serenity to reign in me. Thus, the love I have for myself invites harmony to settle within my being. I listen to and honor and strive to fulfill the needs of my soul. Therefore, I am fulfilled and I'm effective and I feel great while I'm doing it. I don't feel drained. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.